everyone, welcome to Works for Tools channel. Today we're talking about the Carnage Tools Jump Starter. So the beginning, I showed an unboxing that I did a long time ago when I won this from Carnage Tools, and then stay tuned for after that to show a couple features. Hey everyone, Works for Tools here. How you doing? So Carnage Tools gave a giveaway on Instagram and I actually won something. So it's nice to come home after a hard day at work and have free tools. Oh yeah, let me get this camera all squared away here. So here's what we got. A 12-volt jumper system, all in one. Looks like it jumps and charges phones and everything else. So that's pretty cool. I look forward to putting this to good use at work. See how well it works. Let's see. Comes in a nice little case. Oh yeah. Pretty cool. A bunch of different leads for plugging different things in to charge them. USB cords. Very nice. Got a flashlight on it. Here's all the ports. Very cool. I look forward to seeing what this thing can do. And there's to charge it. So that's our little giveaway. One from Carnage Tools this week. And they give us some cool little stickers. Right on. Thanks a lot to Carnage Tools. Look forward to seeing how well this works. Alright, here's the Carnage Tools Jump Starter. Real nice. Then it makes this noise because it doesn't want you to keep it hooked up. So you get to see that it would start a car. Works pretty well on small cars. Struggles a little bit on bigger trucks, but for $80 is what I believe the price is on this. It's a great tool to have in your trunk if you need it. Pretty cool. I did notice that in the instructions it tells you that you're supposed to hook this up to the vehicle's battery first, then plug it into the machine. But for me, that didn't work. It would beep and not work right. So if you plug it into the machine, then plug it, hook it up to your battery, it worked just fine. Other features it has that are pretty cool. It's got a flashlight on it. Hold the button down. It's got a flashlight. That would work pretty good if it's dark out. It's got a flashing light, and then you press it again and it's got an SOS. So that might be pretty useful if you need some help. It also has charging ports for accessories, your phone or tablet or whatever. So, and it also is kind of neat that it shows both ports. So let's try it out. This is the adapter that it came with. And we have another iPad charger. Plug these in. So here we got a little camera that's kind of like I showed this a while ago on Instagram. It's like a GoPro, but it's not like a generic GoPro. So we can plug that in. Make sure this thing's on and the button's pushed. You can see it's starting to charge. Get your iPad over here. And then that's telling you it's charging too. I did notice that charging it, if your battery's dead on your phone or something, it's going to do a pretty good job. It's going to charge it up, but it seemed to only go to about 80%. On here we can see both ports is showing the charge it's putting out. So port A, likely this one is putting a little more out to do the tablet, and this is for the camera. Let's try something else. Instead of a camera, I have another charging device. It's meant to charge cell phones and whatnot. You can see that one is showing a bit more amperage of charge. So that's kind of cool that it's showing the charge, how much it's putting to it. Pretty neat little tool. I like having it. So that's our little look at the Carnage tools, jump starter and charger. I'd like to thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Stay tuned for more tools. Got some good stuff coming that I look forward to showing you. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you on the next one.